In this video, I'm going to show you how to be taller on Roblox. That is how to make your avatar taller. Head over to Roblox and click on avatar at the bottom menu. And then you're going to click on the customize tab. So at the top menu here, click on head and body. And then at the bottom menu here, scroll right to the end and click on build. So here, first of all, make sure you are on arrow 15. For the body type, we can see two icons here, one female and one male. Let's drag this up towards the female and we can see the avatar getting taller. If you want it to look man-like, then you just need to drag it towards the right. So when you're done doing that, scroll up to body size. We are going to decrease the width of the avatar so that it can appear taller. So we are going to scroll left in order to reduce the size, and then scroll up in order to add the avatar height. Scroll up again and you're going to see head size. We're going to also reduce the head size in order to give the avatar a slimmer look, thereby giving it the illusion of being taller. So there we can see that our avatar looks way taller than the initial. So that is how to make your avatar taller on Roblox.